So this is my FPGA Arty A7 board. We have done the programming there in the Vivado suite now, and I've transferred that code through Vivado suite into my FPGA using this micro USB cable. Okay, so now my board is completely programmed. You can see that the green LED is green LED is glowing here. This, it means that my board has been programmed. So before proceeding into the project, first you need to make it clear that the jumper here, this jumper, okay, jumper 1 is not shorting the 2 pins. It has to be only on one of the pin. Okay, it should not short that, it should not short the 2 pins. Okay, better be clear for this, then only you can proceed further. So one thing you need to keep in mind is that before connecting this device with your micro USB here, and before sending the code or burning the code onto your FPGA, you just need to clear that the position of the jumper is like this. Otherwise the code will not work. Okay, if the jumper is shorting these 2 pin, then what will happen, the device will try to load the code through the SPI flash here. Okay, it will try to take the code from this SPI flash and will not take the code through this JTAG. Okay, so better be clear on this. So let's proceed further here. So what we have designed is a push LED button. Okay, so we have defined 4 push buttons there in the constraints, as you have seen the code there, and we have defined the 4 LEDs. So here are the LEDs. You can see here LED 4, 5, 6 and 7. These are the LEDs here, and here are my push buttons. Okay, so this is the button 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 LEDs. Now what I'll do, when I'll press the button 1, so as soon as I'll press the button 1, the corresponding LED will light up. Okay, so let's press the button 1. See, so the first LED glows here. So now as I go further to button 2, LED 5 will glow. Now as I press the button 2, LED 6 will glow, and the last button is the button 3. As I'll press it, you can see that LED 7 is glowing. So correspondingly, as we push the buttons, the corresponding LEDs will glow up. So this was the project. Thank you.